Hello everyone, this is Santesh Kalada, and in this video I would like to show you how you can connect your Google Apps to your N8N account. So by Google Apps, it can be anything. It can be your Google Sheets, Google Document, Google Calendar or Gmail, anything. So the process for connecting any Google app, it's the same. For this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can connect your Google Drive account. Google Drive account with N8N. So first what I'll do is I'll add the Google Drive node. So here is a Google Drive node and I can select anything from here. So maybe I'll just click on download file. Now you need to add your account here. In my case, like there are two other accounts already created, but anyway, I'll create a new account and show you. I'll click on create new credentials and you'll be greeted with a screen like this. And now you need the client ID and client secret. So they're actually showing you how you can get the client ID and client secret. See, if you just click on this more information and open it in a new tab, so it will be asking you to create a Google Cloud account. So just right click on this link and click on open link in a new tab. So this is the link. So just open it, sign up for a free account and go to console. So I have actually signed up for a new account here. Now we need to create a project. So you can actually use the same project for anything. You can actually use the same project for connecting any of your Google apps. So I'll click on select project. At present, there is no project. So I'll just write my labs Google connector. So that looks good. And I'll click on create. So it's actually creating the project. Now, as you can see, the project is created. Now, make sure that you are clicking here and clicking on the select project button. So now the project is actually created. Now we need to see here. We need to get our client ID and client secret. So for that, what we need to do is you need to go to this API and services, then OAuth consent screen. Just click the. Now at present there is no consent screen made, so I'll just click on get started. And I'll just give the app name as the same as my project name. File Labs Google Connector. And support mail, your default Gmail account will be shown here. Just select that and click on next. So here you need to actually select the internal option. And here, as for the contact address, again, you can type your Gmail address. Make sure that it is the same account which you use for creating the project. So I have given that, and here this looks good, and I'll click on create. So it has actually created the project. So this looks good. So I'll just go to my home screen, and yeah, I'll just select this project once again, and from here, APIs and services, the consent screen is actually made. Now I'll go to credentials. And here, see here, I need to create a credential. So I'll click on create credential and I'll click on the option OAuth client ID. Now application type, make sure that you select the web application and just this particular name you can give. It doesn't matter. Now it will ask you for your redirect URI. So that redirect URI, you can get it from here, from your N8N account. So I'll just click on copy that and I'll just paste it here. And yeah, this looks good. So let me just quickly create that. Yeah, it seems that it is actually created. So once you have created your client ID and client secret, you can actually copy and paste it here. So I have actually saved my client ID and client secret here. So I'll just copy my client ID as well as client secret. This is the client ID and this is the client secret. Now, if you have entered both this, you will be shown a button like this, sign in with Google. Just click on sign in with Google. It will open in a new tab and I'll just log in with the same account. Now, as you can see, it shows connection successful. I'll also rename it here. Okay. So it's always a good practice to name your credentials accordingly. So Google Drive account, files. So this looks good. So the account is connected. Now what I'll do is I'll click on this from list. Now see here, it's actually showing me an error. Google Drive API has not been used in this project. Okay, so I need to enable that. So one option is I can actually copy this URL. Otherwise, see, if I just click on test project, workflow has issues. So yeah, this is the issue because we haven't enabled Google Drive API. So what I'll do is I'll go to my Google Cloud Console account. This is my Google Cloud Console account and I'll go to dashboard and here under APIs and services, I'll just click on enabled API and services and I'll just search for Google Drive. See here, Google Drive API. I'll click and I'll click on enable. Now that the Google Drive API is enabled, let me just quickly check this again. See here, now it is showing me all my files. Now if I just click here and if I click on just test step, see here, that particular step is working properly. We are actually using the download node. So that particular step is working properly. So this is basically how you connect your Google Drive account to N8N. So I hope you guys found this video useful. So if you found this useful, please subscribe to my channel below. And if you face any issues at all, just let me know. Just let me know in the comment section below and I'll be happy to clear this for you. And if you're someone who's actually looking forward to learning N8N and creating beautiful automations, I just want to let you know that I offer a free learning community, free school community for this. So I'll also give a link to my school community in the description below. So please feel free to join my school community and you'll be able to get a lot of automations totally free of cost. So see you in another video. Thank you guys.